like to play with kids I don't know.
Because Lydia's bringing them over and I didn't have time to rent a clown.
Are they boys or girls?
Beats me.
How old are they?
Not a clue.
Sounds like fun.
Hey, they're kids. You're a kid. How tough could it be? I mean, we're not breeding pandas here.
All right, but if they're boys, just don't call them little dudes, okay?
Why not?
There was this guy Mom used to date, and every time he see me, he'd call me little dude. He was an idiot.
Okay, that's good stuff. What else you got?
No lame magic tricks, no head rubbing, and please, no high fives.
Got it.
And don't ask who wants ice cream. Everybody wants ice cream.
I understand.
Even lactose intolerant kids want ice cream.
Makes sense.
But whatever you do, don't try to pretend you're not sleeping with their mom. We're not stupid.
So, if I do this stuff, her kids will like me?
No.
Why not?
You're doing their mom.